Vanakkam friends, the much awaited review on HDFC Bank is being pending for with me for more than a week's time. So I thought this is the right time to provide review on HDFC Bank for short and medium term. Okay, this is the charts of HDFC Bank. I have converted into 1 hour chart, and I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement over here between the swing low which was made on 7th 2nd July, and then the high which was made on 7th July. So over here if you notice, it has retraced more than almost 70% of the earlier move. Now it is quoting below the 23.6% retracement, which is still weak. And if you closely observe, there was a gap created in between this particular date. 2nd and 5th of July. So in order to fill this gap, it has dropped all the way from 1545 till 1480 to 84 levels. The actual gap will be filled only if 1482 is being touched. It is almost very close, just 2 points away for filling the gap. So I expect a reversal from here, which will retest the swing high of 1545 in very short term, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks time. Okay, and remember, HDFC Bank results are scheduled during this Saturday, which means 17th. Okay, historically speaking, HDFC has never disappointed with its results, very hardly disappointed. It also has disappointed with results, but it very hardly disappoint. If you take 6 to 7 10 quarters of results, maybe 1 or 2 quarters it would have disappointed, or else it always delivers a stellar set of results. If the results are good and it takes out this intermediate high of 1545, it will rally towards 1600 in quick sessions. Maybe after breakout, maybe it can take 4 or 5 days time to reach 1600. Okay, now this is the short term view for HDFC Bank. We will move on to see the medium term view of HDFC Bank. Now I have converted the same chart into 1 day time frame. This red color line which is floating across is the 50 moving average, and then the purple line is 20 moving average. It has broken the 20 moving average and closed yesterday. There are good chances it could even test the 50 moving average and then climb higher. This could happen in a day or two, and then the results will take care of the remaining part. If the results are good, I said already, it can easily bounce and take the earlier highs of 1545 and move towards the 1600 zones. So probably over here we might see a minor hurdle, this particular level, which is 1600.45. That is the exact level. So probably we will have a move towards this junction during short term. Short term in the sense, I mean maybe in a 3 months time frame. That is the maximum I am saying. But if results are good, it will do it even in this month itself, and then could even cross the earlier intermediate high or the 52-week high of 1640 zones. And then now coming into the long term view, if you ask me what will be the next HDFC Bank of Indian share markets, I would say it is HDFC Bank only. There is no replacement for it. So if you are a hardcore long term investor, just continue doing SIPs in HDFC Bank at any levels. Purchase same number of quantity on a given day and hold it as long as you can. The only situation you can sell that particular stock in your lifetime is if there is a very big emergency and you could not able to arrange funds to meet that emergency, or else hold it as long as you are alive, and when you are no more, you transfer, that shares will get automatically transferred to your next generation or your next nominee. Okay, this stock is one such kind of stock wherein you should not dream about selling when you are a long term investor. So now we are done with HDFC Bank review. If you are a newcomer to our channel, just subscribe and stay tuned in our channel. We will have periodic reviews of this kind of stocks which everyone wants to review, and we will give levels. I have added my Telegram channel link in the description of this particular video. If you are not part of our Telegram channel, you can also click the link and join. Okay. Thank you all. Let's see in our next review.